Hi guys, Mark Anthony here with another money making video. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell where you'll be notified of all the new videos that we do, all about making money online, money making strategies and money making systems. I'll stay to the end. I'll give you the link to a free course that I've done on promoting high ticket affiliate products where you can make $1,000 commissions. It's a 90-day course, absolutely free, and I'll mention more about that a little bit later. Anyway, let's get right on to this video today. And today we're just going to show you a little bit of a tactic that we can use instead of using. It's a way of modifying long affiliate links, really, and it helps us a long way. Instead of using short links like Bitly and things like that, which don't really help people to click on them because they know basically these days what they are. It's just another option. But here we are on the ClickBank marketplace. I'm just going to find some products which are selling very, very well for affiliates. So I'm just going to click on the advanced search. I'm just going to choose Gravity, nothing else higher than. I'm just going to put 300 in here, which is pretty huge. And just press enter. And it's found us 3 products here, which all are in health and fitness, would you believe? Health and fitness, with a hell of a lot of Gravity. 309, 425, and 778, which is, I mean, I would promote anything basically over a Gravity of 10. If it's selling, that's fine. But this is absolutely huge, 778. So you know a lot of people are actually buying this product from affiliates, which is what we want. And just take a look at these icons here. If you're not sure what they are, the attributes are just on the left hand side here. But I'm more interested in this one, which is a recurring billing, which is what we want. This is single billing, one-time bill, but this is a recurring billing. So we can have a look at this product here, which is Java Burn. It's basically a fat burning product. So let's just click on this, get an idea of what it's all about. It's basically looks like supplements, is it? Something like that. And you can see why it's recurring billing, because obviously you can have one pouch for a 30-day supply, 90-day supply. So if people were happy with the product, they would come back and obviously reorder it, hence recurring billing. Excuse me. So just have a quick look what this basically does. Combined with coffee can increase both the speed and efficiency of metabolism, well-being, Java Burn, reducing hunger when coffee. Let's have a look. So it's basically a fat burning furnace, and have to have more fat and calories being shuttled into it to be burned. It basically burns body fat. Excuse me. 100% natural product, and obviously, like I say, it's selling very, very well. So a good product to promote. Let's go back here and let's get our affiliate link here, which is the long ClickBank. You can do a tracking ID if you want, but this is basically the one we want. The long ClickBank ID. They took away the other hop still there. But we don't want to promote this. It's very difficult to promote that. So we need to do something a little bit different. So what I generally do is I'll just buy a domain just to promote this single product. I'll just close that for a second. So I'm here on GoDaddy. And what we can't do with this product, we cannot buy a domain which includes the words Java Burn. None of these companies will have that. They're very protective of the name. So we need to find a way of telling people exactly why they should click on the link. And it says, obviously it's fat burning. So if we put in, let's say, burnbodyfat.com, I'll be surprised if that's available. So there it is, it's up for sale. The premium domain for £1,500 sterling, which is we're not going to pay that. So we just need to adjust this. I'm looking for a domain which is under £1. just a bit less than $1. So burn body fat. So I would just put in something like how to burn body fat, and let's try that. And there it is. That's available for less than £1. How to burn body fat, and that's all we need to spend. I wouldn't spend over $1 if you're in the USA on the GoDaddy, but I'm in the UK, and it quotes me in pounds, obviously. So this is less than £1. And that's all I want to pay just to promote this one product. I'm not going to set up any hosting or anything. This is like a non-website marketing strategy. So what we're going to do with this, we're just going to buy this domain. If you wanted to buy this domain, I won't buy this domain because maybe somebody wants this. I didn't want to buy it, add to cart and buy it and think, oh, well, maybe somebody watching this video say, oh, I'd have bought that domain. So but let's just suggest that we actually bought that domain, how to burn body fat, and then we can come in here in the DNS management settings. This is obviously on a different domain, but this system is the same. If it'll let me scroll down, and we want this add forward in here. Just ignore this domain. This is what you will see, whatever domain you would choose if you're going to promote that product. And we want to choose a 301, a permanent 301. So let's go back in here again, click on this promote button, and get that long affiliate link. We do not need the HTTPS. We do not need that. So copy that, and then go back to the domain manager. I want HTTPS. We'll click it in there, and that is it. So basically save that. It won't save it. It won't actually use that because it's hosted on a different server than GoDaddy. But if you bought a domain from GoDaddy or any other registrar, and you just keep it there, you can use this forwarding system just so when somebody clicks on the actual domain, it will take them, obviously redirect them to this affiliate link, which will in turn obviously take them to the main Java Burn website. And then you will, if somebody buys, you will get a commission. Very, very simple system to do. Just add your link in here. Just be careful of this part here. Oh, you don't want that in there. Let's get rid of that. It's basically that. That's what you want, the HTTPS, and then all the rest of it here. You can probably get rid of that on the end as well, and then just save that. So what's going to happen when somebody types in that domain, whatever domain you choose regarding your product, just make sure that when you do choose a domain, it's something very similar to the actual product name. So like this is like howtoburnbodyfat.com. It says what it is. It's an answer to a question. How can I burn body fat? How can I? And your domain basically says how to. It's the answer to the question, how to burn body fat in this instance. So what we can do with this is, all we do is promoting the actual domain name. We don't need to promote this affiliate link anymore once you set this up on the forwarding and the 301, a permanent forwarding system. What we can do then is lots and lots of different ways to promote that URL. It's obviously it doesn't look like an affiliate link, but it is. It looks to everybody else just like a normal domain. So you could go in any place like forums or anything like that, be a member of these weight loss forums, and you could start contacting people on there. Obviously you're not going to spam your URL. If people are interested, you can give them the URL. You can quote testimonials about the products if you want without actually naming it, and then people would ask you more information about this. Also, you can do this on Instagram, where you would put your domain name into your profile, and you can also do it on TikTok. So, I mean, doing TikTok videos, very, very simple. Just add a little bit of content, only 15-second videos, so just a few pictures. So we're in Pixabay. All this is obviously free, and we can put in weight loss, and there we go. Weight loss, lots of burn fat, which is basically what we're doing. All these are very good. These are ideal for doing little short videos which you can post. on TikTok, for example, and include your link, your website URL, your domain name in the actual profile. So you'd say, oh, let's go back to Java Burn. You say get 80% off today. That is the actual cue for people to click on the link and go to your. So you can say, here is a great product. If you want to burn body fat, 80% off today. Just click on the link in the profile for more information, something like that, and just show pictures of weight loss. That's all you've got to do. Very, very simple, but very effective. Much better than trying to get around this promoting these long affiliate links, which are not good to the eye. And doing the short ones, the bit.ly links, doesn't really tell you anything about what you're promoting. So when you choose an actual good domain on GoDaddy, basically it's a good domain, and you can do this with different niches. It's howtoburnbodyfat.com. It tells you exactly what it is on the tin. So when they click on this link, they will go to this, which is how to burn body fat. Very, very simple strategy. It's ideal for TikTok accounts and Instagram, forums, anything like that, where you can put links in your profile. You can use it on Quora, obviously, answering questions, and you can do it on Medium as well. Reddit is another place which you can get really good traffic, places like that, where you can get people to click on your actual domain here, which will redirect them to here with your affiliate link, so you always get paid. But that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please, like I say again, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. And any comments, don't be shy. Please put them below and click the like button, which will help the channel. Like I said at the start, if you're interested in high-ticket affiliate marketing, promoting high-ticket affiliate products, then please don't forget to click on the link in the description below. You'll see it there, which is a free course on high-ticket affiliate marketing, how to promote high-ticket affiliate marketing products. 90 minutes long and 3 videos. So you're very welcome to join me in that. But that's it for today. Thank you again for your time. I hope you found something beneficial in this video, where you can get these very cheap domain names for less than £1, less than $1. But they will increase your conversion rates, obviously, because it's got a connection to the products that you're trying to promote. Very cheap way of doing it. No hosting, no setting up websites. You just promote that domain and let GoDaddy or whatever registrar you want take care of everything for that for you. But that's it for today. Thank you again for joining me on this quick tutorial, and I'll see you again next time. Please stay safe. My name is Mark Anthony. See you again. Bye for now.